Because gina
We
ada
not know.
atin pa mi wa parang when. What is stressing that child?
Family are contributing a lot. Edene palutia mateng.
Ikumana be Uganda wanero mon mapole gidere go nyu gitaro 10% a bichel ton e bungwen.
This is not even school fees. This is family matters. And the more people who contribute into these are stepfathers, stepmothers.
Of course.
Tell me why Latiana nyagame mwagapara deptika committing suicide. Ko wajigemi anani amba nyagwara nitiga nyuara man. You ignoring because you don't want to believe in the child and the child commits suicide.
Full still kelwa ni cho matiga toy lok madene duong, but the concern ko belchan we want to focus on mon pien wanero a lot of things matiga time pien mon magito ni pole duju gito mano guwero jima poli ngegi ikina no pet ki jima da matches get cho bene pet entro the magnitude of pet per mon pe wa twer po ne ki pacho.
Yeah, for my tech in Mexican waka moke can my intiem in Metie kumalme Uganda to Kampala iti butping mapat. For my tech total anytime be television manonga igulu city e pass back kuma e pass back angena watema wa maro video chal wa maro video wa maro chal wa maro video nyom wa maro video we akije mo ken mapol in mabene tige we mer producing we ben warama temane bore e wel ma jot trot ge jebani in niti upcoming artist mighty wa okay metamani oluto o mero e bine yobwe trust us with anything you want to do regarding music, okay? Enene what I know lock art tene, okay? And lock art matine lock up a boat twal kigena wangeni time ken gang. Polkar kenen watika kilo lock makoman no gen mano tika time ken gang. So tine what I lock a chele ken and I dene bergena ngo makelo dene gena ngoma wan warama temene wa geng dene e community ma wan wa poye nyogi kom ngara chela chel apeyan kana nya bela baby ati wane o mayara Wilfred ni
I don't be fire.
you be serious but I'll tell you introduction
Lock up your attack so mera bed very attentive.
yes
Kapaberu ma kemero kilo batiti ti kar ka rombo yelo so tawn mera kemero ma bebe.
yeah for my tech for amiti win lock wine ma pe Dami Pierre Tech, Cato Pin Kenyon, and Kerawan take a boggy lock, whatever, whatever me of phone kerene, Muguno, come when a damn wapo ye in chor Pin Kenyon, one be quanone to a duke at a bottle whack.
Right.
Wilfred,
Yes.
Dennett 11 malamai. A dominating one look a year. Mamma Kilo Kiranagan and a while getting Mamma Kilo Dene, Warama Johan and Ning Kidong Jemokanama Pool. Dene Pete Macotolic.
Right.
Okay? Dene peti an learning armon be kwanya tol ka ngore. Not only that one. Ti jomo kene makwanya yat. Munya onyo mara. Okay?
Right.
Yara munya no yara mara. Eno weng dene. Ti mone ma chera por repi. Come be mugo pege be no nyoge no. Eno be dene willingly. Piane chunye no nga.
Mero
timane.
Right.
Ngara mane bu chero ngoje ki mutaka cher goye mutaka ne o kilo accident I komen ke kene. Eno ni pay accident. Eno ni dene. Piano inyo accident no oluto
Involving like
yes.
Badana Ria Dep no. But money my team.
Money my team o piri kene ni. Eno ni dene. Ti money makwer kwona kaka. Para wango to. Yeah. Mabene we have had scenarios my noni walu yiyo mukana ma guberi fasting chila chojo luonge in that process because champe komi I don't want to say any only then but it's part of it already okay koni yini ngole lo machala kwat yes watigi money maro kon dekwon maro kon dekwon
Tana te mar ana pie nyoni ni.
O quarter be en meneni quarter la ka yelo.
Er fu dek kwambe.
Dek one yi.
Para tu medita.
Para be en ku men para medita. I count that one among them because ininga mabeni kwantie pinga dek one. Chunyu chwe wa abi mar ko wanga to be wa be gidoga ni abi mar wanga uneka. So I only went to Kendene. Okay?
Right.
So dene ye duong full. Manong ngat money willingly. Tinoni gimani dong mako mano dia tamani mera team gana kumane kuona. Bagmo. Mo kena chwenyo RBN.
Yeah.
Okay? Mo chwenyo RBN wango kuji couple wang en kene chi wango gilutian wang. We have had such things.
Mo kene bake
Okipala.
Kama le monye ne no
Yes.
chile kene.
O chielo mudure we only went dene, okay?
Yes.
Chielo mudure we o bake okipala. Like a lot of things. Madano Timo. Mano polgine ni one way pongyo ni dene. One na ju wata mene dene ti makotol. You get?
Yeah.
Ngato mariar dene o ngato makotol no. Anymore kwano ni weng tie ikim dene. Chamira win keyboard being free. Give me one statistic. One on your kidna will lobo go doge kere. Well dana di ma dene dana di ma go tema go lawyer. Can you please?
Well, apo luak duju maluwa itami be television. Now, lok matine kitma bela kilo kweni lok mapira tek to twan. Watamani wabegi kero mekeru ne kamaleng. Wako kon luak magiti wako kunum ki achuri magiti itwak ping mukeni duju. Wako nen kita waramu kwa ken mabe pian lok man meto nyu dene ni tika dogo duong mako berchane do tika dogo serious kwa padano. Baro mine nen kong wilobo kolo kitma kwere imwa kolo dana di magito la kurito ma wanero ki iye ma popol kone maro yat idene chupe ki pala nyogok any kinds of yo mo ken mani tiu kere meneke wanero wilobo min wa report ni imwa ka chen dana makaro alip mia bero ki pierre wi biro alip mia bero ki pierre wi biro magito mwaka ki mwaka
ni walk
dene batin watika nana ni mon kono in terms of percent noti percent piari we big ton abero man iwilobo kulo don mon mano go kwanyo kare men ne ke opigi kengi notie ali mia chel gi pier boro we bero man mon ke can strictly manyeti ke kwanyi gi kom muken ni wano remaining mudonge weng polecho nyurni percent pacho matoy wilobo kulo ilok medene tie ki percent mapol loy mon ento ko beri chan matiga drawing the attention padano me very serious about it and mon ko beri numbers gitiga iromado neno kineno ke bini neno bene mot nyurati kamaleng ni percent pier ber wi ngwen tonne adek pacho magito ilok medene ni pole mwaga gi bene ki pogo iye no chake mwaga apa wi beach ugek i pier dek wi beach mero cho pamon chake mwaga par beach ugek pier wi bungwen ni o kere i pier dek manyete pol mon magi dene tie ka kenyo mwaga mateno manoti percent pier wi beach ton na bero kai neno ka kenyo donc dara mo kene tie ma inoni gitemu neke chikaro kene no pe succeeding gilar gio tie i percent a big ton angwen mano waket ni mariat chi gwage dan bir choka ngere ki kwanyo yor ki tere oriat doctor gutie kumi mermano doctor gu ngeyo gu responde gie bad mo kene tie mano ki tiu ki yo me kingang yes pian watiki yo mo kene yam chon bermano kangarmo mariat actually tiu kere kino yeri mo kene magitonge ki kindum mano padak gam ki bor jwa ka mano ki ngeya ni eni konye dano yes ngao ki nga gini le bolle ka waneno yam chono no kangarmo temo dene aneno ki tiu ki je mario pole ki kako ki tongweno and then mo kene ki kako ki kado ki rubu kado ma ke chigi miyo maro so kui e oni agi come unyo ka rubu tongweno ben ma pole de ki miyo dano ki do ma ulu chunye chi ngao kui e oni immediately mano put pia riom uramo dul komero duju donc kawa nene wi lobo ko nyur kamaleng ni dano matika to duong mukar kare pol mapedon gute wanen ko Uganda pian wa chako ki wi lobo mero nene Uganda kawa dug wanene kumale me Uganda kawa mete wa zeroing lock wa beti matek to tran Uganda dul me Uganda national statistic go ranging mabere dani percent abichiel tonne not ni yo ke percent abungwan ton abungwan padano magito i Uganda tie ma pole deda ma wele tie alip mia che dana ma geto Uganda alip mia che waka ke maka duong ma pegute
alip mia che duong
kaka dana ma geto lo ma denti we alip mia che we ko futo mo kele ma pat ma bere futi ga meteni
ma
dana ko accident giti kenyu ko na nga giti kenyu chilim giti kenyu ki nga gini ci dana ma to duomba dana ma to duom mo bela ikina ka kenyu bena wanero I percentage magi kero percent pa we bor ton bichi nyo kere percent pa we bungen man no kit mano dano temoto kwere then mon magi temoto pigi kengi unyo magi to ni woki yo bakit man o chaka pasana bit tonne bo I mean pasana bit tona rio ni oker pasana bit tonne a bero pa mon mano guto I Uganda. Manyer ka ini kwani gi kenyi bino the remaining percent bo dongi don wencho full still kelwa ni cho matiga to lok ma dene duong but the concern ko berchan we want to focus on mon pm wanero a lot of things batiga time pian mon magito ni pole duju gito mano guwero jima poli ngegi ikina no pet ki jima da matches get cho bene pet ento the magnitude of pet per mon pe we twer po ne ki pacho in terms of caring gwaro tiano ki jemo kanani we ko bechan ki be ko wanero ni percentage per mon knock ento no the value no is more bigger than pacho and kawa we ko kenyo wa bien wanero I kumadame Uganda Uganda wanero mon mapole gidere nyo gitaro 10% a bichel tonne bungen kadong modong duju 90% pa we beach and wele duju no tie dana makaro ali pierre beach we bor tonne ali pierre beach we bor kimiare ki pierre dek we ngwan ikumanebe Uganda ka way kumanebe Uganda wanero the greater north and of course part of West Nile Acholi Kilang Nanawe. Manyeti dana magitiga to kumalame Uganda ni woki dene tima duwa da. Eni kinega kenyo mon ke kanda kwa tika nano mon tika tere ne matek to trial. Wanani lao sub-region pasena pawe Rio. Ilao sub-region pasena pawe Rio. Wabino waneno Chuli sub-region pasena Bungwen. West Nile pasena Boro. Ikabiri mo kena magadia gwakelo rinya yela. Refugee camps watiki pasana bichel kairi percentage eno weng no kilwa lugi percent ba duong full mano dano tiga to komalo may Uganda may kine ko berchane nyote wa kama lengni mon matiga to komalo may Uganda ni woki dere type mo ka ken udogo duong mapedong gute kidong ni wa pen la pen ko berchane ni woki statistics en mo waneno ngo matiga time ngo matika timebele ma we ko dano to ma tek to 12 kiri eni
con statistics ne kano mina chwechwin bien ma chel eno ni magamente ngeu
magamente ngeu furen wane magamente ngeu
eni magamente ngeu ma pedong loko mo wunya ni ko
ikin gang
bien ni anga joke na mano chero dene pi furgiti yene watim
pia ginogi
pigino
now let me give some bits of statistic achel ma ko berchan tika kelo nyuto kama lengi ame anen angle palote kwan because we are poor this year I think it we ma there we no report ni latin we more than kikigum latin kwan me comprehensive campus any bene latin anyaka mo udene ki launch sub-region and this very year latin we more udene ki I think ki ajumani ka we are poor ma better there now Lieutenant Kwan get frustrated maybe because of like boyfriend issues, school fees issues, a lot of things. And doom mapegute.
Because
meanwhile percent a Rio tonne a bitchet.
Only food doom.
Doom do. And what you look in 10% because we don't want to kill the will made
only food doom.
But kai what you need, kai what percent a Rio tonne a bitchet. Palutino Kwan magetiga to. Because of maybe 1 or 2, 3 issues, because of school fees, frustration, melokom, boyfriend and girlfriend, kinga agni. Strictly, no, kwan. Man madong, they have grown age. Maybe but they are not yet concentrated. Kwan is too big, very big.
Fred, I'm emotional. I'm so emotional right now, but I'm going to be fine. Okay, yes. I'm going to be fine. Why? Wachake palotiano kwan 2%. 2% in a deep unity nan wakenyo. 2% in deep full. Mwagari yangit mukaro gangwa ki kit go. This one knows me and I la miat. La miat kapim centro kan and doctor ngagor kanyo.
Yes.
Yo machara comprehensive. La tia nyaga mo mami na ki power gangwa. Obi dene she was 15 years. One senior 2 in Anelia secondary school. Manong eto in Labuja kaja. A senior 2 girl committed a suicide. And you ask yourself, ngoma wela tien matiri matimu agapara pi. Then get afraid berga waikere ni muguno relationship issues, school fees issues. Ana mina chaki wale ni family are contributing a lot edene palotia mateng. If you don't know family how patiki stepmothers family mo kan man lotia tigi mien gi pe gi ko gi nyak mi gi kan mano the way kin ma get treating gen kede ki poko eno gi kin luore no chala endo konye pe gimane ka gi mi gi ngarmani don't know and pay no you get pian no muje be gi tun kan gi ba. You cannot even say anything as a man. Ibang iti mere kenyo mere ababang. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Fred. Mano family and I know family gonna take a higher percent. Let me tell you this. It dene palotia matiano. Family, pole when family matters. Like this girl who committed suicide from our place. Dene ibutba why. And that night nental jarkon about boyfriend. No koi beauty and go dagini me no berga yerne every time no gilog maraji come Kiyerio, kicheyo, ki watching you're hopeless.
Yes. Konyipe
to anaba bang mama be me apeke chulu we dangwa.
Let mama liek full
Yes.
konyipe.
Kado ke kera yo kare dere ti choro loko ma duan tai kuma. Kado ma dirip mugudong panuone. Iti kelu je manduata wagena bana timi kuoni tika kelu ne bora wa ngoma dani ya timi kumi you're just putting it on me. Itika wachani konya pe manyuti as me. What do you want me to do? I'm not ana babang mama no konya bedong pere. Why should I live? To madabe pe matwali get. Family are contributing so highly itawapaloti ang matiano. 15 to 18 years. I feel like family are doing bad. Family. Look at school fees. Chamu kena no pink tag, quarter. School fees been in this matter ni. Chamu kena la nyurbe pe. Ina ye idongo gi piat Fred, okay?
Yes.
Mamani, babano, mamani pe mugo no kwane chachiru nyoro. Piat de witino ni machalo in dugula nyori witino. Mano jemi dugu overwhelming.
Responsibility.
Yes.
Responsibility
bon la tien matidi. Eni ti ko mer kwon eni come let eni konongo. Oh God. Now what should I do? You get?
Now, Bella, let me shift in a lot a bit. I give you some additional statistics, but I leg in it work to you.
It's okay. I'll be fine.
It's actually going deep. In 10 years, statistics, of course, from Magical reported 2024, Nyuro Kamaleng ni Dr. Amatin Marapa Ugira Parangwan again. Uganda. Manugu dene. Ali Pierre Dek we abungwan. Mia bichel ki Pierre Beach we bichel. Dr. Marapa ni Ugira.
Imagine a pie.
Just 10 years.
Kanu nigi guagama be will not even know what society
is.
Kapedok nigi fonya gang.
Of course. Because gina
we
another
not know.
What is stressing that child?
Aisha.
No, man, did him Latin eoni.
Emma where I ni can you nano mod ba Fred if you know ni Lutiano and Mara inime or in family.
Yes.
Trust me at that Paliban. This is not love issues. This is not even school fees. This is family matters. And the more people who contribute into these are stepfathers, stepmothers.
Of course.
Tell me why Latiana nyagame mwaka para depth committing suicide. Ko why give me an amba nyagwara ni tia nyara ko man. You ignoring because you don't want to believe in the child and the child commits suicide.
Bien non e konye dong pe wilo. Ngaro mala konye dong pe.
Ah, ko bi ko lo ke bore. You la go pa you la poya.
You know that they pay war.
No, you're giving a lot. You're saying a lot on that child.
I think Bella, this is ngoma pol karanan
family.
Any
Family.
Gemano chona fool. Sometime we were the street, you know Dan Mukenema, they have wasted money. They have money just to pour it out just like that. Me baro ne kin ping and lutino mano gitiga deno jam. And sometimes begin yoke kum lutino and they fail even to help. And when I really ask myself, what is the use of money in this world? Mama driving down where down they don't have that kind of heart me helping Lutino. Even if pay konyo ngarmo ma diet kangarmo bino ko pelbe. What about these ages? Because Lutini anyone they're there in the street. Latin makapa when get the street every day. We even look at them, we see them.
This is family. You go to school, you find the same thing. Okay?
Oh my God.
Why gangkwan? Tilutin moke malufonye they are sexually abusing them. Okay? Malatian dog gang waje ni anba la fonye ni tia tima kuman and it do irio. Latian mo dene why or kwantie. I'm telling you the truth. Tian la fonye kanyuar ne. In Machel and you're not doing anything about it.
And hope you know what in
Machel's your man teacher, you're just there. You don't want to believe.
And sometimes muke team no reporting ben bot gamanda lutija gamanda and no repair team ginamo here.
Guji ingeo teach guji yang berga poni dana.
Look at these cases.
Okay? Teach guji mano iwe latin tiu teach makaro mwakane oh. And koma latin tiu teach makaro mwakane ni puri logo loktiar wilatin. Emio iwaju gilatini latini anyime biberupe, okay? Anyime biberupe konongo mio latino bor la chon where latin nyome chon latin frustrated latin where I'm zeroing dene palotiano in we family.
Wabeta nyim a par big nyo kera par bangwan dan magidene tie ali pierre dek we bichel mi a bichel ka pa we big mar ma pa we big nyo kera par bangwan ma pierre nyo kera ma pierre we ngwan ali pierre dek we ngwan mi a bichel gi pierre bangwan we bear nyura ti kamaleng lutena ma pa nyo kera par ngwan we la ma lo pianti we ali pierre dek we bangwan
mi a bichel
of course olo makao no ni okay pepe me balane bad no kao no ni okay alternating kero mero bekere ono mere jo ma uluto wi ko kor yam no mere cases bet malo padi waire mero de ne baroti nano because this one is
inge ngada mo wene kanni kinen mo ga para bi cher kere kuja these are people ma don ground maglu rem
yes
okay maglu rem maga geno dio kon bien bo jala kay anma mabe yene neno chi sensing ni di money right bien penye wa jala mara yin ko dare yin no
aner peti nana be
imwaga enoni machalo tiano kwan ibin yang ni la wor pe no mo
yes
machalo la kin gang la wora pian at that age watiga nyer mo nyal gima ka par bich maduata mo kena due to rap madong no ka rapping chi mo tok beru tie ki ngagi dene okay
yes
watigi mo kena ma en no bene family contributing ye bene tie nyome chon di ratiana dia pian no pa mer nyomo ngamone matwal do ko ne iltia dia na dia pian mer ne o konchen ne mone o yor dia nyar ma pol ma ko dene pe gene ni okay anyar ma don fol wa wobe ekena ma gena wa no ta level valotini dak pe dung to 12 because they can make friends they have friends magram bogolo ko ket ge gram mi ontamo bodge but gena no wa jone dine because of some ignorance some you're there you're paying a
chur irio primero wi loke no te loke per peter
and this alutia maka e donyo ket gima trust me hey
binyang
mo ga par bid nyur mer bar ni mar ni pap
de pero
u yala dir Obito watiane bura kamari. You get? So, ke neno more binoni relationship. Imwaka palo teno nini. Ti level mamalo. Relationship. Mwaka para bidwe. Metiare mwaka para mwengo. Lotin no kago por ma kiri ngeri ma unity ki plan me weko nene. Pe weki yak. E weko mene yak. Dog ni. Tu ki ta chot in beneno ta. Obidene.